What does that mean? There might be a possible sexual intimate relationship between the demon and the human. It can happen. Again, this is very rare. So please don't be afraid. I'm just trying to paint a picture of how real and how severe this can be. Now, for Judith, the haunted house in Mandaluyong, there's a clear sign of infestation, apparitions, noises, oppressions, and occult entry points. The third eye ritual, the spiritual folk healing powers, etc. For Anna, there's a clear full sight of possession. She spoke a language she didn't learn. She had violent behavior that needed to be restrained. And what was the cause? She was dabbling in the occult and she rejected the faith. Now, it's important for us to know that this is the devil's playbook. Now, friends, these are not random events. The scripture, the traditions of the church, and the catechism teaches us how to recognize these patterns.